These are my batteries, 12 volt 220 amp hour Victron gel batteries. They're placed in boxes like this, and I want to show you first between centres of this terminal and this terminal, 60 centimetres, and between these two is 10 centimetres, that's to the outside. I'd like to join each pair of cells together like so to give me 3 24 volt cells. Then finally, to keep them nicely balanced, I'd like to introduce 2 separate posts here and here with equal length straps joining obviously the 2 shorter ones, or the 2 shorter distances will the cables will need to be bent to fit in there. From this point there, I then need to take cables up to the MultiPlus 24 volt 5000 120 amp charger, and it has 2 positives, 2 negatives, and their suggestion is to pair 2 50 millimeter square positive, 2 50 millimeter square negatives. I can trim the box as necessary, and it will have a top on it afterwards, so I'll make a